lot. It's only a model. Shh.
Hark, traveller! Does your spirit crave adventure, yet your purse be as tight as a sparrow's feather? Then lo and behold! Lego, Monty Python's non-migratory coconut. Fashioned from the finest... Well, it's a coconut, but not just any coconut. Nay, this is a coconut with a destiny, to grant you the illusion of horseback travel without so much as a single halfpenny spent on oats. Whether you seek to reenact daring quests, vex scholars with inquiries of avian cargo capacity, or simply revel in the dulcet tones of its husky percussion, this coconut shall be your most steadfast companion. So delay not, for while it resists the call of migration, it does long for adventure in your worthy possession. 'Tis said a knight armed with naught but this coconut and a shrubbery may triumph over even the Black Knight himself. Clack forth, noble steward, and let the merriment begin. Shrubbery sold separately may smell faintly of elderberries.
Now go away or I shall taunt you a second time.